Greetings to you all. This is Sylvester Shine, the Chief Executive of Epistem Academy and Consult. At this point, I must express my delight to know that you have been participating in this business skill course for the past 2 days, and today being day three, where we are rounding up. I really want to express my delight and tender my mega appreciation to all our students, all our participants from across the nation. I'm really excited. I'm really delighted that you followed through to this point. Um, for the past 2 days, we have been learning the skills needed to advance our businesses. For our business to advance, we need skills. We need to be skilled in executing the demands of business, because if our businesses must grow, then we need to upscale in our operations and in our engagements. So in the course of this training, we've learned from the basic, from the foundations. We've learned the fundamentals of business. We've learned what business is. We've been able to learn who a business owner is. We've been able to learn the difference between businesses and entrepreneurship. We've also been able to learn the skills, fundamental skills needed to upscale our business. We categorize them into six, but they are more than that. The first one we looked at was financial literacy. Financial literacy is very important. We need to be literate in finance. We need to be literate in the management of our money, the management and the administration of our money. We need to be fully aware of how money comes in, how money goes out, where money stays, where the money goes to, the time and the house and by which the money comes in. We must be fully aware and take records. So these and more are what financial literacy entails. And during the course of this study, we've been able to elaborately deal with that particular um, subtopic, and everything you need to know is in the study. For those of us who are just joining us, please feel free to go through the previous uh, study materials. It can also be made available for us. And also, we also looked at digital literacy. For our business to actually advance in this current digital age, we must endeavor to be digital literate, to know where and how to project and promote our business in the digital space. And we dealt extensively and elaborately with that topic, that subtopic rather, and we'll be able to learn a lot. We've been able to know the social media platforms that are necessary for us to promote our products, because on the social media platform there are product based social media platforms, there are also service based platforms. For example, product based platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, like TikTok, these are product based, these are platforms that help project and promote our products. While we have service based platforms like YouTube, like LinkedIn, and a few others, they are there. Endeavor to go through the previous study material. That was the one, and you'll be able to get the full details of everything about digital literacy. Also, we looked about communication skills and presentation skills. We must, as a people, if we must upscale our business, if our business will actually advance, move to the next level, we need to take communication seriously, because communication is what makes and breaks business. How we communicate, how we present, how we pass information about our products and services to potential customers and clients. Communication is key, and we dealt extensively also with communication and presentation skills. We also dealt about customer awareness and service delivery. As a business person, as an entrepreneur, as an intended business person, customer awareness is very, very important. You must be aware of your customer. You must know where they are. You must know your target audience. You must know where they are. You must know when to meet them. You must read their body language. You must understand them in all ramification. We must understand the status of the society, the environment where which our business is located, so that we can actually discern the behavior of our customers and attend to them in their mood. Also, and then service delivery, very very important. Service delivery is important, because a good service delivery will bring more customers. Bad service delivery will reduce our customers. We must be skilled in service delivery, have excellent service delivery. So we looked at that also. The study materials are available. We also spoke about time management. All right, time management is key. Time management is key. We spoke about time management, because we must be apt, we must be prompt, we must be timely and punctual to business. So punctuality to business matters, timeliness to service delivery, aptness, and also promptness. There is the right time to deliver a service, there is the right time to communicate. So our ability to manage time, because our business depends on time. There are businesses that will move in certain time, businesses that will not move in certain time. So we must endeavor that we know how to manage time in delivering our products, our goods, and our services. We also talk about self-leadership. We must be able to lead ourselves before we lead business, before we lead an organization. We must be able to discipline ourselves. All right? Self-leadership are actually sets of leadership skills, are sets of disciplines that we condition ourselves to, in order to fulfill business tasks, whether on a daily, weekly, on a monthly basis, or whether we are, relating with our customers. So it is very, very important that we ensure that we learn and go through all these skills in order for us to make it through to the next level in our businesses. So let us ensure that we go through all the study materials. Everything I just spoke about in brief, there are expatiated materials for you to read through, listen to, and also watch on the comment area. So let us ensure that we make it count, and then hopefully we are going to proceed to the next level.